Let's talk about beautiful skin. I think everybody is waiting for that. The skin is the biggest organ of the human body. It plays many roles in maintenance of healthy life. It is an outside shield which holds all body structure and barrier between the inner and the outer environment. So, skin helps in regulating the temperature of the body. It acts as an immune defense, sensation messengers to the brain. So skin is a unique organ and demands so much attention in terms of imbalances and the well-beings. So skin types according to Ayurveda, there are three types in Ayurveda, just like the body type. Vata type of skin, which is very dry, prone to get wrinkles, dehydrated, dull looking, flaky, itchy, that sort of skin. But it is prone to aging, premature aging. Pitta type of skin is like rosy, warm, flares up very easily, sensitive to light, sun rays, prone to acne, moles, boils, skin burns. Kapha type of skin, which is thick, oily, and it's prone to blackheads. There is a normal skin type when the doshas are balanced. The healthy skin, harmoniously balanced, is neither dry or oily. It has a very soft and velvety glowing texture. Some people you have seen, they have very glowing texture, and this type of beautiful skin needs care to last its texture for a long time. If they neglect the care of this type of skin, it shows sign of aging very quickly. That is very important too. It's not like normal skin doesn't need care. It needs daily cleansing, toning, nourishing. It's required for this type of skin. So what type of skin care? This type of skin is in majority. And dry skin lacks sebum and the moisture. So texture of the skin looks fine, transparent, but fragile. There are tiny expression lines. It is itchy, flaky, chaps easily. Too much of washing with soap and water and the chemicals makes it more drier. It washes off the natural oil, which protects the skin from exposure to sun rays, dryers, air conditioners, and even cold air. So, Vata skin needs efficient circulation of blood and nutrients to the different layers of the skin. So, this type of skin needs constant care inside out to prevent from premature aging. The human skin is structured to breathe oxygen. In order to do so, it should be clean. There is a natural moisture content in the cells of our skin. So this water content decreases slowly with aging. And even with environmental factors, hormonal imbalances, lack of sleep, vitamin deficiencies, moisture producing glands become less functioning, resulting in dry and wrinkled skin. So it also loses its ability to hold moisture after a certain time frame, loses elasticity, and results into premature aging of the skin. So diet plays, like I said, diet plays a big role in any beauty treatments. You need to find out what is your constitution. Is it Vata, Pitta, or Kapha, or combination? And what are the issues, current issues, and accordingly your Ayurvedic practitioner will give you a diet plan. Definitely Vata needs more warm food, soothing food, sweet, fresh food. and use of a lot of oil and massages, abhyanga. Skin massages help in terms of aging, premature aging especially. So now pitta type of skincare. Pitta is fire. So this type of skin is very sensitive to sun rays, less tolerant to spicy and hot food, and it tends to have breakouts, freckles and moles. And so pitta type of skin needs cooling to the sensitivity. So avoid exposure to sun and tanning lotions, hot water, so many harsh chemicals in terms of moisturizers or whatever you use on your skin. You have to be careful. So pitta skin needs effective functioning of the metabolic mechanism that coordinate all the chemicals and hormonal reactions of the skin. Again, diet is very important. It plays a big role. Then exfoliation plays a role, cleansing, massaging. I mean, pitta type of skin may need a different type of massage cream, different type of oils to massage. Then kapha type of skin. So kapha type of skin is oily, as I have mentioned before. Kapha type of skin is thick in the appearance. The secretions of sebaceous glands are overreactive in this type of skin. It produces excessive oil. The excess oil causes the pores to become enlarged and skin becomes thick and coarse. So oily skin attracts dirt. It is more prone to accumulate toxins and ama under the skin. So that's why it's prone to blackheads and pimples and acne. So these enlarged pores give a thick texture to the skin. It looks skinny and toneless. So people with kapha imbalances are recommended to do detoxification or cleansing on regular basis or seasonally. So external deep cleansing and exfoliation is important for oily skin. It is best form of preventative care to free from blackheads and spots, acne, or any other blemishes. So oily skin needs proper moisture balance. Definitely diet plays important role in Ayurveda. Kapha pacifying diet. Eat lighter and less oily food. Exfoliation plays a big role. External use of dry abhyanga helps here. So steaming the face helps to dislodge the blackheads. This has to be done by experienced cosmetologist. Steam of mint leaves and like covering the face helps. Proper toning needs to be done after the steaming because you're opening the pores and to reduce the oiliness on the surface. So never pick or remove blackheads by forcing yourself because it leaves scar on the face. Perfect hygiene procedure has to be followed in the kapha type of skincare, definitely. Then there is a combination type of skin too. It can be vata pitta, both dry and sensitive. A person with vata pitta skin would follow the recommendation for pitta skin in summer and vata skin in winter. So it then another combination, it can be kapha and pitta. both oily and sensitive skin. Then you can also find Vata Kapha combination, both dry and some oily zones. On the face also some dry zones and some oily zones. So the Vata Kapha type would be best served by generally following Vata guidelines with extra cleansing for the oily zones and stuff. But again, all these treatments has to be done by experienced cosmetologists. So another part in Ayurvedic beauty therapies is cleansing or detoxification, because in Ayurveda, proper digestion is important, but proper elimination is equally important. If that doesn't happen, undigested food particles accumulate in the body in the form of toxins, which is called ama in Ayurveda. It is important to do the seasonal cleansing to flush out the accumulated toxins and unblock the channels. Accumulated toxins imbalance the body elements, and those imbalances affect our health of our skin and hair. So Panchakarma treatment is recommended in Ayurveda in the cases where more cleansing and detoxification needed for skin and for the complete body. So Panchakarma includes Shamana Chikitsa, which is the balance or suppress. So that starts with when doshas are minimally imbalanced and the body is weak. Shaman therapy can be classified as external and internal administration of herbs by mouth. Is internal therapy, and the application of herbal oil and lap, ointment and all that is external therapy. And the shodhan, that is actual purification therapy, that involves the shirodhara, which is a oil drip on the forehead, basti, enema, virachan, that is purgation, nasya drops, nasal drops. So these therapies are some therapies are 3 days, 5 days, or 7 days, depending upon the intensity of the issues. There may be skin issues or hair or other body and mind issues that needs to be treated before we treat the skin or the hair externally. So these therapies, cleansing therapies and panchakarma detoxification, has to be done by the specialist. It cannot be done by watching the video or by reading about it. So acne prevention in Ayurveda has a big chapter. So over the active sebaceous glands that produce these excess oils to the skin, which causes acne. Acne conditions include the blackheads and whiteheads and pustules. So in Ayurveda, wash the face with these herbs are important many times in a day. It again depends upon the intensity of those acne related problems. But neem soap is recommended at least 3 to 4 times for cleansing. Then aloe vera gel is a good cleanser. Apply rose water to keep skin free from oil. Application of combination of herbs recommended in Ayurveda. It includes turmeric and neem and a lot of other ingredients. So, avoiding oily food, avoiding oily moisturizer, lotions help in in combination with other herbal treatments in Ayurveda. Ayurveda has more comprehensive approach to acne. It can be manifested in many ways. So treatment cannot be generalized unless dosha imbalances are determined. Elimination of toxins are required by cleansing and panchakarma, as I mentioned. But dosha specific diet and herbal remedies should be followed regularly. It is not just one time, and then it is not one treatment fits to all. So there are other factors associated with acne as well. Dandruff in the hair aggravates acne problem. Then emotional and hormonal imbalances, because Ayurveda is all about body and mind. So it is also important to take these herbs like ashwagandha or brahmi for stress reduction, because when you have any skin conditions, blemishes, or whatever it is, you get anxious and then lose confidence, and confidence is the beauty. You need to gain that back with these proper treatments. So beauty is all about taking regular care inside out. Relaxation is important, exercise, that all plays a big role in beautiful inside out. So another treatment I would like to discuss is stretch marks, because this is very important in women after giving birth. So stretch marks can be due to the weight gain sometimes, and weight loss and weight gain. So in that process, so stretched skin becomes very dry and itchy. It is important to massage the skin with extra fatty oils like olive oil and almond oil. So any oil with high protein content is useful. Aloe vera gel can be used for the rejuvenation of the skin. So for the healthy skin, I'll give some tips. And I mean, before we end, there are many therapies for, hands and nails and feet and beautiful eyes and nose and lips, and so we cannot discuss all in one sitting, but definitely some tips for healthy skin. Drink 9 to 10 glasses of lukewarm water with honey and lemon every day. It helps to eliminate body waste and toxins, and eat fresh organic fruits and vegetables. Fresh cooked food helps in good digestion. Dark green vegetables, and then avoiding junk food helps. Deep fried food is not recommended. Even fried food is not recommended. Have a good 8 hour sleep, which is really important to release the stress of the day. Take bath every day with lukewarm water, and light massage abhyanga is recommended. Wash your face with herbal and natural scrubs like chickpea flour, fenugreek powder, gram flour, lentil flour, Splash clean water on the face as soon as you wake up, so it refreshes, or whenever you feel tired. That gives toning to your face and skin. So, dry brushing of the skin is important for rejuvenation. This is another tip. Dry brushing improves blood circulation. It reduces cellulites, removes dry, dead skin, and promotes lymph drainage. So it improves the skin tone. The cellular buildup on the surface of the skin should be removed. Intensive Ayurvedic moisturizing treatment, not the chemical one, is required to correct the dehydration of the skin. Then doing pranayama, yoga, exercise, because your skin needs oxygen for the radiant skin. Then do the facial on time to time basis as required. It again, it needs recommendation from your practitioner, and also done by the good cosmetologist. So, beauty of your neck and back is also important. On time to time, do some massages, or the cleansing for the back and the neck, because that is the neglected area always. Beautiful hands and nails look perfect. I need to take care of them with extra massages, and be beautiful inside out. So I hope you liked my presentation. Thank you very much for inviting me, Dr. Ram, and namaste. Happy holidays. Thank you.